So for lunch today, I just decided to, see what I had in the fridge and see what I could come up with to eat. And so I had some in the pantry. I had some 10-minute rice, so I put that in the microwave and microwaved it. And this is, I wanted a fairly quick lunch. And so then I also took some, I got some saw what veggies I had in the fridge. And I had some carrots, and I had some green onions, and I had some purple cabbage. And then I also added some ginger and garlic. And so I put it in a bowl, and I, put, a few cups of water in there, 2 or 3 cups of water in there, and put it in the microwave and let it boil. I put in for 3 minutes and then let it sit for a while. And then I took the rice I cooked, and I added it to it, and it's got this awesome purple color. Oh, I forgot, I also added some sesame oil. And then now I'm going to add some soy sauce, and it should be just about perfect. We shall see. It's all purple, and now it's turning red.